Welcome to our latest compilation of dramatic car crashes caught on Dashcam. In this gripping episode, we bring you the most intense and heart-stopping car crashes ever recorded on Dashcams. From high-speed collisions on busy highways to shocking accidents on quiet streets, these Dashcam videos capture the raw and unfiltered reality of road mishaps. Witness the sheer power and unpredictability of vehicles as they collide, spin, and tumble in these breathtaking clips. Stay tuned and prepare yourself for a roller coaster of emotions as we delve into the world of dramatic car crashes caught on Dashcam.
My time has come. Oh, God! Oh, God!
Talo!
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't
got you, homie.
Thank you for watching our compilation of dramatic car crashes caught on Dashcam. We hope these Dashcam clips have given you a new perspective on the importance of road safety and staying alert behind the wheel. Remember, accidents can happen in the blink of an eye, so always drive responsibly and stay aware of your surroundings. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible footage and important safety reminders. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next episode.